हेलो फ्रेंड्स, योर एकेडमिक सर्विसेज प्राइवेट लिमिटेड में आपका स्वागत है।
Hi, welcome to the AutoCAD 3D training. Okay, I think you all are learned about AutoCAD 2D parts. Now we are going to learn about AutoCAD 3D part. Before we start AutoCAD 3D modeling, 3D training, I want to give you some introduction about AutoCAD 3D so that you can pick up and so that you can follow the 3D part. Okay, now I think you all are know about difference between 2D and 3D. Okay, that earlier days there is only 2D hand-drawn things are available. After that computer came and they have started the 2D in the system, like computerized system. From that they have developed 3D. Okay, so 2D is the basic thing for 3D. So whenever you want to create any 3D modeling means you need basic information from the 2D. For example, you want to create a cylinder means you need diameter of the cylinder and you need diameter of the height. So those things, for example, that cylinder diameter and height of that things, we have to get it, any one thing we have to create it in the 2D. For example, we need to make it in the plan view or we need to take it in the elevation view in the 2D part. So that only we can make the 3D. So basic thing is that we need 2D geometry to make the 3D. I think you all are know about 2D very well. I think you have gone through the 2D training. If you are not done 2D training means better you can go to the 2D training and come back for the 3D training, because in 3D training we are not give that much of importance to the 2D commands. So directly we will go to the we will go to the 2D geometry preparation. From that we will go to the 3D. So we will not give the type of commands and type of usages and all other things. So better you familiar with the 2D means that will be helpful for the 3D. So if you are not familiar with 2D means you can go back to 2D training and come back for the 3D training. Okay, now we will open the AutoCAD window. This is the AutoCAD window. Normally whenever you open the AutoCAD, this window will appear. So you get it, change your color background black so that it will, okay. So if you want post now on, you can grid and all other things on, you can keep, otherwise you can off it. Okay, this is the window you will get whenever you open the AutoCAD classification. I think you, while doing AutoCAD 2D training, you all are gone through about workspace switching option. Okay, in workspace switching, there are a lot of things available, like drafting and annotation. That is the part we normally use it for the 2D. And next 3D basic and 3D modeling and AutoCAD Classic. That AutoCAD Classic is the window for using the AutoCAD 2D as well as AutoCAD 3D. So AutoCAD Classic, suppose if you do drafting in 2D means you can select drafting and annotation. But in some of the old versions, there is no this type of options. So better you familiar with AutoCAD Classic in 2D as well as 3D means that will be good you to do better job in earlier version as well as in the new versions. So in that drafting, 3D basis and 3D modeling, those workspaces will give you the latest AutoCAD options only. When you do AutoCAD Classic means you will have the both the things. Earlier version also you can pick up because that one covers the command by command and all other things. If you go in the drafting annotation or 3D basis or 3D modeling means it directly gives you the 3D things and all other things. If you do it in directly means whenever you work in the earlier version means that is very difficult for you to do the things. So I will do this 3D training in AutoCAD Classic so that you will get the better information and more information compared to 3D modeling in the 3D. And that AutoCAD Classic is not a 2D, that is the common for 2D and 3D. Okay. Now I think you understood about the workspace. Now this is the window you get whenever open the AutoCAD. Okay. Here you can see the AutoCAD navigations. Okay. In this one you are having the north, south and east. Okay. Whenever you open, you will get in AutoCAD Classic, whenever you open, you will get the top view only. Okay. Suppose you want north view, you can click it here, you will get north view, back side view. So like that, if you click home, you will come to the 3D view. Okay. I think you get now 3D view. From that X direction, Y direction, Z direction. This is the AutoCAD 3D window. It will look like this. Again you want to go to the 2D view, you can go it on the by clicking the top, back, front, right, left, something like that. Okay. You can click any view because in this cube will have all the views. For example, this one, this, whatever you want you can get. So this is the AutoCAD 3D window. Okay. And next you go to the viewports. Suppose whenever you do 3D modeling, you will have not a viewport, 3D views. Yes, that is AutoCAD viewport. Okay. Suppose whenever you do AutoCAD 3D modeling, suppose there is a equipment, you want to add something on the front view, you want something in the back view, so you no need to rotate and all means you can directly do it on the viewports. For that you need to split our window to whatever viewports you need. For example, you need 2 viewports means you can click 2, that is horizontal or vertical. For example, vertical means you will get 2 windows. One is here, one is here. From that you can select. One is this home view. This is the home view called. This is the home view. This is the home view. From that we will get the 3D image. Okay. Suppose you want top view in this section means you can set the top view. Okay. So if you have any object in this home view, for that object, only top view will be appear in this portion, so that you can see what it should be like in top view, what it should be like in front view, something like that. If you want to make it another one, you can. For example, you can go to the viewports and select 3. Okay, it will give you the horizontal, vertical, something like that. How many viewports you need, you can. But if you make it lot of viewports, mean we will not get better resolution and better viewing. So normally we will have 2 or 3, that will be the good. Okay. Suppose you want only one, means you will go here, viewport, one viewport. Again we will come to the home viewport. Okay. So now I will show you how to make 3 viewports. Normally we will go to 2 or 3. 3 will be the good, because one is 3D and another 2 is top view or front view, or from that view only we will get more views if you want. Okay, now directly if we get, means we will split the 3 window. What I am looking for you is, we will get very big one for 3D and 2 small one for views for first we will make it 2, from that we will make it to horizontal, so that here you will have the 3D object. In this portion you will have one top view or one front view, so that you will have the viewport like this, so that we will get big 3D one and small top or elevation, something like that you can get. Okay, now you understood about the windows. Okay, next we will go to the 3D modeling, command by command, one by one. I think you understood about the workspace, 3D window, how to generate viewports and all other things. Okay, good. Now we will go for